Hi everyone, I'm Riti and this is your 5-minute warm-up yoga. It will gently prepare your body and your mind for today's practice. Start by gently rolling your neck. Bring your chin to your chest. Then slowly circle to the right, back and around. Let your breath guide you. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now switch direction and feel the tension melting away with each breath. Now gently bring your hands out in front of you. Start circling your wrists mindfully. First go in inward direction. And now to the outside. Feel the energy waking up in your hands and forearms. Now hands on your shoulders. Roll your shoulders up toward your ears as you inhale. Exhale and draw them back and down. Now reverse the direction. Loosen up the upper body and feel the breath opening the space. Now as you inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale and over to the left. Feel the side body expand. Lengthen through your fingertips. Inhale, return to center. Exhale and to the right. Create some space along your ribs. Inhale, come to center and grow tall through your spine. Exhale and twist to your left, keeping your left hand behind you. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale and to the right. Keep your core engaged and breathe into the twist. Inhale to center and relax. Now move into a tabletop position. Inhale and arch the back, lift the chest into cow pose. Exhale and round the spine, chin to chest, into cat pose. Let this wave-like motion awaken your spine. Keep flowing, keep breathing. Now come to standing. Lift your right knee. Hold it with your hands. And begin slow ankle circles. Gently switch the direction. Feel the grounding through your standing foot. Now switch the leg. This warms up the joints and prepares for balance. Gently switch the direction. Now step your feet wide, turn the toes slightly out, bend your knees and gently pulse up and down. Keep your spine tall, feel the fire in your legs and the power in your body. Okay, we are done here.
Beautiful work, everyone. Now you have warmed up your body with awareness and ease, and you are perfectly ready to flow through your yoga session with grace. See you there.